Are you ready to explore the powerful world of saws? From handy chainsaws to massive logging machines, let's dive into these amazing tools. Don't miss out. Imagine sitting in the cabin of the Ecolog 688E, rotating 360 degrees to take in the full view of the forest before making precise cuts. The Waratah H415, with its intelligent sensor technology, acts like a sculptor, creating perfect slices on each tree trunk. This combination not only delivers superior performance, but also elevates the work experience to a whole new level. Did you see how that tree just vanished? The Prenoth M450s is a hungry beast. It devoured that tree without mercy, a real one-sided confrontation. Oak is a hardwood known for its density and strength. When milling oak, a sharp blade and powerful saw are essential for efficient processing. In this video, the man utilized a steel MS-361 to fell this mature oak tree. However, I'm curious why they didn't employ the 12-ton winch on their Valtra N101 tractor to pull it down in the opposite direction. Can anyone explain this to me? Check out this awesome homemade mini chainsaw mill. Who knew you could build something so useful with just wood? I'm itching to give this a try. Anyone else feeling crafty? Ever dreamed of being a lumberjack and an astronaut? Well, the HSM 405 H3L steel hang is your ticket to both. This machine doesn't just harvest trees, it dances up mountains like a pro climber. The 360-degree rotating cabin? It's your personal spaceship, offering breathtaking views. And watch those hydraulic arms gracefully lift massive trees. It's like watching a ballet of power and precision. So, buckle up, folks, because this machine is taking forestry to a whole new level. Whoa! Tackling slopes and hairpin turns like these? Must be just another day at the office for these timber truck drivers. They've got to be the calmest dudes I've ever met. Just looking at the trunk, it's immediately apparent that this is a behemoth of a tree, isn't it? This is an old-growth cedar, a testament to centuries of growth and resilience. And this seemingly diminutive logger has conquered it with absolute precision. No wasted movements, no hesitation. My goodness, the diameter is well over 8 feet. It's even more awe-inspiring in person than I could have imagined. Ever seen an eagle swoop through the trees? That's the 1270G with the H425, a perfect dance of power and precision. The 1270G's got the guts, the H425's got the finesse, and together they're turning forestry into an art form. It's not just about clearing trees, it's about respecting the forest, working with it, not against it. And that's what makes this job so rewarding. Every day is a new challenge, a new chance to make a difference. John Deere 1110E? More like John Deere can do anything E. Seriously, this thing is a superhero on slopes. Your wallet might need a superhero cape too, though, because it's about $350,000. The TST 800 Tower Yarder isn't just a cable logging system, it's a game changer for timber transportation in challenging terrain. Think steep slopes, tight spaces, no problem. While it might not haul massive loads, it treats every log like royalty, ensuring they arrive in pristine condition. That's why it's a favorite among those in the know. Whoa, this is really crazy. Something like this doesn't happen very often. It's really fantastic and intense. Wood! Wood! And wood once again. The trees are frightened of this man. In 3 minutes, 5 down. I can't even finish a slice of pizza that quickly. And he gives it all seem so simple. He appears to be dancing with the forest. This Galician pine sawmill showcases impressive first wood transformation efficiency. The high-speed cutting and seamless log handling minimize downtime, maximizing productivity. A prime example of streamlined operations. Ever wondered how a falling tree could be awe-inspiring? This video of the big hemlocks felling will show you why it's captivated so many. The sheer size and power on display is truly humbling.
There she goes. Beauty. One.
Okay.
I wish I could trust a woman like this guy trusts this chain. Fortunately, no accidents occurred. Let me tell you about the coolest new sawmill. The Frontier OS-27 from Norwood Sawmills. These guys have been building portable sawmills for 25 years, so they know a thing or two about getting the job done right. This baby is safe, it's powerful, and it's built to last. Oh, and did I mention it's affordable? $36.47 USD. Yep, Norwood's making sure everyone can get their hands on a top-notch sawmill. Wow, the WA450ULL's arm is like super long and strong. It's amazing how it picks up those huge logs. But sometimes, even this machine struggles, which is kind of scary. Nature is powerful and we're just trying to keep up. This image captures a living relic of woodworking history. In Herend, Norway, this water-powered sawmill has been humming since the late 1500s. Even today, skilled hands keep its gears turning. passing down the craft to new generations. It's a testament to tradition and a beautiful piece of Norway's past. Can you believe he is taking down a 14-foot western red cedar? The chainsaw sounds so loud, like a monster roaring to life. It's kind of scary, but also super exciting. And then, boom! It's over in a second, but the feeling stayed. Ever dreamt of commanding a forest giant? The Ponce Ergo 8W Harvester is your ticket to an adrenaline-pumping adventure. Picture this. You're nestled in a futuristic rotating cabin. The rumble of the Mercedes engine beneath you. The 36-foot crane dances to your command. It's not just logging. It's a thrilling ballet of man and machine. Ready to take the reins? The Lumber Pro HD36 isn't merely a portable sawmill, it's a precision instrument, a key that unlocks the potential hidden within raw timber, transforming it into works of functional art. With its formidable cutting power, the HD36 is akin to a surgeon's scalpel, meticulously navigating through massive logs and delicate details alike. It's not just about durability and accuracy. The Lumber Pro HD36 is about empowerment, granting you the freedom to shape your vision with every precious board you conquer. The LX55 portable sawmill isn't just a tool, it's your ticket to precision lumber. American-made and built to last, this sawmill is perfect for anyone looking to turn their woodworking dreams into reality. Smooth operation, accurate cuts, and a price that won't break the bank. What's not to love? The Stihl MS500i isn't just a chainsaw. It's a technological marvel, the first of its kind with electronic fuel injection. This translates to raw power and unparalleled efficiency. Witnessing this 5.0 kilo beast in action, effortlessly felling a giant cedar, is a testament to its capabilities. All right, y'all, get ready for this. We've got a real face-off coming up. It's the M923 going head-to-head with a stump. That's right, a stump. Who do you think's gonna win this epic showdown? Oh my God. These cedar trees are giants, aren't they? But today, they meet their match. This man's skill and experience are off the charts. Watch how he takes down these behemoths with surgical precision. It's like a ballet of power and control. You won't believe your eyes when these giants come crashing down. Whoa, that was close. They must have nerves of steel and some serious skills to pull that off. This guy found an old Lamont 100 portable sawmill that was just lying around, all broken and rusty. But instead of throwing it away, he decided to fix it up. He bent the frame back into shape, replaced some parts, and even put on a new blade. And guess what? It actually works. It cuts through wood like a hot knife through butter. It's so cool to see something old and forgotten come back to life. This video is awesome. Imagine the Poncevisant as a graceful dancer, waltzing through the forest with a gentle touch. Its 8 wheels are like nimble feet, effortlessly navigating the uneven terrain. The cabin is a cozy haven, a sanctuary where the operator becomes one with the machine. The Wisent's powerful heart beats in rhythm with nature, its fuel efficiency a testament to its harmony with the environment. It's a symphony of sustainable forestry, a testament to human ingenuity and respect for the natural world. That demonstration was certainly impressive. However, I believe we should consider alternative methods that prioritize safety and equipment longevity. By splitting the load and making 2 trips, we can minimize risk and reduce wear and tear on the skidder. The Maho Minimax is like a magic box that turns big logs into perfect planks. It's got a super strong engine that can cut any size you want, and it's so easy to move around and set up. You don't need to be a pro to use it, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can turn your backyard into a lumberyard. It's the perfect way to start your woodworking journey and create something truly special with your own hands.